paddy works on the railway. In 1842, from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe. Found myself a job to do, working on the talking to my baby on the telephone, using all the night news, got to wear the right shoes, engine overheating, but my foot's hard down. Been so long since I got to hold her, need to feel a soft hair on my shoulder. Motorway patrol cop hanging by the truck stop, waiting for my lover coming down the line. Slipping on the back road, run through the crossroads, never be a problem, pay that fine. Boys don't see me when the weekend come, I got my paycheck, I'm gonna spend some. Train down to the off lane, pulled into the Roadhouse right on time. Dear light above me, baby say she loved me, man, you gotta see it when she danced that line. Boy, this girl got me in a tailspin, I gotta make it last till our next weekend. Oh yeah. Well, I'm going to the Roadhouse. Going to the Roadhouse. I'm going to the Roadhouse. Going to the Roadhouse. Going to the Roadhouse. Going to the Roadhouse. I'm going to the Roadhouse. And I have to tell you, to my surprise, now I'm not the devil, but never an angel. St. Peter was shining like the 4th of July. We got heavenly things, got a harp and some wings. I hope they fit you right. So I shook the hand of God's fisherman. Welcome to paradise. Oh, welcome to paradise. So I wandered around to see who was in town, 'cause my mama told me the good die young. And there in the corner, Elvis was playing, and all of my heroes are singing along. Janice and Jimmy, Buddy and John, fisherman. Welcome to paradise. Oh, welcome to paradise. Now St. Paul's in a hot tub with Mother Teresa, Da Vinci, Mandela, and JFK. And I'm in the bar with Haile Selassie, just drinking mojitos when Pete came to say, there's been a mistake, must have been that damn snake, and the gates he opened wide. Ah, but everything's fine, happens all the time. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. Give my regards to those fortunate sons. So when angels call from celestial halls to raise you in God's light, there's that fisherman and a big brass band. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. First time that I saw you, I knew my life was changed. Wrote you a lullaby. No hesitation, how you would cling to me. No need to question, no asking why. I promise to stay fast with you and warm you like the sun. I love you, I love you, now and forever. Careless celebrations, a free bird in summertime, playing gypsy melodies. Overnight sensation, you blew into my life. My eyes have opened, and you're all I see. On the battlefield, I'll be your shield until your battle's won. I love you, I love you, now and forever. Oh, the farthest star might disappear, the sky could cry a billion tears, but none of that could be more than you mean to me now. So when the ocean's rolling, I'll walk the harbor wall, my light will guide you home. If other friends should fail you, I'll hold you close to me. I'll calm the waters, though demons wait below. I'm never here if you should fear your race is almost run. I love you. All through every mile, you know that I'll be there for you, my son. I love you.